Well, hello America. Hey, still coming at you from Rwanda. It's now been here for a month and a half, and still really enjoying it. Quite a beautiful country. Sorry the updates haven't been more routine. I've been spending weekends going on trips, first to first to Kigali to Gisozi Genocide Memorial, then Butare History Museum, and last week to visit my site where I'll be teaching over the next 2 years. Right now I'm in front of a little soccer field where I've played with the kids a couple times. So I wanted to give you a look at some of the sights and sounds I've been experiencing in Rwanda over the past month or so, and I hope you enjoy. So, much like all other parts of Rwanda, Butare is very filled with trees, and this particular spot is beautifully landscaped. As you can see, we got very nice fields out here. We head down there. They have a little contemporary or historic village set up. Back over here, we got Charlie. And up there's a bunch of kids who just noticed a bunch of Mzungus down here at the park. And they wanted to call out at us. So that's great. This is our local market. Good morning. Right now I'm at the site. This is the school that I will be teaching at. Apparently it is a public boarding school. Behind me we have some dorms for the girls over here, the guys over here, and these 3 buildings or 4 buildings are classrooms. Up there is a classroom for senior 6, and this morning we did a national anthem and a student read the news, and then I introduced myself to them in Kinyarwanda, which is fun. Now all the students are taking exams, but I'm still trying to observe and disrupt as little as possible. It's a little difficult.